Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add back to top button in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins and click on add new and search here back to top. And now install this plugin and activate. And now enable this plugin and you can change the button size, button opacity, button fade duration, and here you'll find many settings. You have to change these settings according to your requirements, and after that you can change the image button. So I'm going to select this one and then click on save changes, and I'm going to refresh my website, and here you can see the button has been added. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.